Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 high-calorie foods that can help you pack on the pounds. If you're someone who's looking to gain weight, these foods are perfect for you. So let's get started. Number 10. Avocado. This creamy fruit is a great source of healthy fat and can add a lot of calories to your diet. You can use it in salads, sandwiches, or even eat it on its own. Number 9. The classic burger. It is high in calories, proteins, and fats. Just make sure you go for a quality burger made with grass-fed meat and whole wheat buns. Number 8. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats and can add a lot of calories to your diet. You can spread it on a toast or add it to smoothies or just eat it straight out of the jar. Number 7. Pizza. It is high in calories, carbs and fats and can be customized to your liking. Just make sure you go for a thin crust pizza with quality toppings. Number 6. Pasta. It is a great source of carbs and can add a lot of calories to your diet. Go for whole wheat pasta and add a variety of veggies and proteins to make it a complete meal. Number 5. Nuts. They are a great source of proteins and healthy fats and can add a lot of calories to your diet. Just make sure you go for unsalted nuts and eat them in moderation. Number 4. Cheese. It is high in calories and proteins and can be added to a variety of dishes to increase the calorie content. Just make sure you go for quality cheese made from grass-fed cows. Number 3. Dried fruits. They are a great source of carbs and can add a lot of calories to your diet. Just make sure you go for unsweetened varieties and eat them in moderation. Number 2. Salmon. It is a great source of protein and healthy fat and can add a lot of calories to your diet. Just make sure you go for wild-caught salmon to avoid the harmful chemicals. And finally, number 1 is steak. It is high in protein and can add a lot of calories to your diet. Just make sure you go for quality steak made from grass-fed meat. And there it is, a top 10 high-calorie foods. Incorporating them in your diet can help you reach your desired weight. Thanks for watching.